Relying on a single source of income is one of the biggest financial risks you can take. In today's unpredictable world, job security is never guaranteed, and depending solely on a paycheck can leave you vulnerable to economic downturns, layoffs, or unexpected financial emergencies. The wealthiest people, whether celebrities, entrepreneurs, or investors, understand the importance of multiple income streams. Instead of putting all their eggs in one basket, they build diverse income sources that generate money even when they aren't actively working. Creating multiple income streams isn't just for the ultra-rich. It's a strategy that anyone can adopt. Whether you're an employee looking to make extra cash, an aspiring entrepreneur, or someone seeking financial freedom, having multiple sources of income is key to long-term financial security. This guide will walk you through the different types of income streams, how to build them, and the steps to create long-term wealth. Why multiple income streams matter. Most millionaires and billionaires don't rely on a single paycheck. Look at celebrities like Rihanna, who built a billion-dollar empire with Fenty Beauty and Savage X Fenty in addition to her music career. Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson earns millions not just from acting but also from his tequila brand, Teremana, and partnerships with Under Armour. Even Warren Buffett, one of the most successful investors in history, has multiple streams of income, including stock dividends, book sales, and business ownership. Multiple income streams provide financial security, flexibility, and faster wealth accumulation. If one stream dries up, you have others to fall back on. It also gives you more control over your financial future, reducing dependence on a single employer or business venture. Types of income streams. There are various ways to earn money, and understanding the different types of income streams will help you choose the best options based on your skills, interests, and financial goals. Active income. Active income is money earned in exchange for work. It includes salaries, hourly wages, and freelance gigs. While active income is essential for most people, it has limitations. You only make money when you work. This is why many financially successful individuals focus on turning active income into passive income over time. Passive income. Passive income is money that comes in with minimal effort after an initial investment of time, money, or both. Examples include rental income, dividends from stocks, royalties, and income from automated businesses. Passive income streams allow you to earn money while you sleep, making them a key factor in wealth building. Investment income. Investment income comes from putting your money to work. This can include dividends from stocks, interest from bonds, or capital gains from real estate and other investments. The most successful investors, like Ray Dalio and Charlie Munger, have built enormous wealth through smart investment strategies. Business income. Starting a business is another way to generate additional income. It can be a side hustle, an online store, or a service-based business. Some of the wealthiest entrepreneurs, including Jeff Bezos and Elon Musk, started with small businesses that eventually turned into multi-billion-dollar empires. Royalties and licensing. If you create intellectual property, such as books, music, patents, or digital products, you can earn royalties from sales. For example, authors like J.K. Rowling continued to earn millions from Harry Potter book sales and licensing deals long after writing the series. Rental income. Owning real estate can provide a steady income stream through rental payments. Many millionaires like Robert Kiyosaki built their wealth through real estate investing. A rental property can generate monthly cash flow and appreciate in value over time, increasing your overall net worth. How to build multiple income streams. Now that you understand the different types of income streams, let's dive into how you can build them step by step. Start with your main income source. Before diversifying, ensure that your primary income source is stable. Whether it's a job, freelance work, or a business, use it as a foundation to fund other income-generating activities. If possible, negotiate a raise, improve your skills, or take on high-paying projects to increase your earning potential. Develop a side hustle. A side hustle is one of the easiest ways to create an additional income stream without quitting your job. Some popular side hustles include freelancing, writing, graphic design, programming, marketing, selling digital products. Many successful entrepreneurs started their businesses as side hustles. Steve Jobs and Steve Wozniak built Apple in a garage while working full-time jobs. The key is to start small, test different ideas, and scale up what works. Invest in stocks and dividends. Investing in stocks is one of the most effective ways to build wealth. Companies like Apple, Microsoft, and Coca-Cola pay dividends to their shareholders, providing a steady stream of passive income. Index funds and ETFs are great options for beginners as they offer diversification and long-term growth potential. The earlier you start investing, the more you'll benefit from compound interest. Buy real estate for rental income. Owning rental property is a powerful way to generate passive income. If you buy the right property in a high-demand area, rental income can cover your mortgage and provide additional cash flow. Over time, real estate appreciates in value, increasing your wealth. Many millionaires, including Grant Cardone, emphasize real estate as one of the best ways to achieve financial freedom. Monetize your skills and knowledge. If you have expertise in a particular field, you can turn it into an income stream. Teaching online courses, writing books, or offering consulting services can generate significant revenue. Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, and Skillshare allow you to create and sell courses on topics ranging from business to fitness. Create a digital product business. Digital products are an excellent source of passive income because they don't require ongoing effort after the initial creation. These include ebooks and audiobooks, online courses, stock photos and templates, software and apps, membership sites. Entrepreneurs like Pat Flynn and Graham Stephan have made millions selling digital products that generate revenue on autopilot. Start a YouTube channel or podcast. Content creation is a growing industry that offers multiple income streams, including ad revenue, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Many YouTubers earn 6 or 7 figures annually by sharing knowledge, entertainment, or personal experiences. Podcasts are another way to generate revenue through sponsorships and listener donations. Leverage affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing allows you to earn commissions by promoting products or services. Many bloggers, influencers, and YouTubers make substantial income by recommending products on platforms like Amazon, Shopify, and Bluehost. The key is to promote products you genuinely believe in and have a targeted audience that trusts your recommendations. Building multiple income streams isn't a luxury, it's a necessity for financial security and wealth creation. Whether you start with a side hustle, invest in stocks, launch a digital product, or monetize your skills, the key is to take action and stay consistent. The wealthiest individuals in the world didn't rely on a single paycheck. They built diversified income sources that allowed them to grow their wealth and gain financial freedom. The sooner you start, the better your financial future will be. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to MoneyWiseWanderer for more expert insights on wealth building and financial freedom. See you in the next video.